evening everyone. This is Manali Raj. Welcome to the CSE Relay News Bulletin presented by Chanakya IAS Academy, Patna. In this segment, we demonstrate about the daily important highlights from the perspective of a civil services examination. Let us have a brief overview of today's headlines. Manual drilling on to reach stuck workers. Election Commission stops Telangana Farmer Aid Scheme. Paul Lynch won the 2023 Booker Prize for Fiction. Insider norms for mutual funds hang fire. GST regime is moving from uncertainty to certainty. Webb Space Telescope spots teenage galaxies. Moving into the details of the news, despite multiple setbacks, officials were hopeful of a breakthrough in their operation to rescue the 41 workers trapped in the Silkyara tunnel in Uttarkashi, as manual horizontal drilling has started. Madras Sappers, an engineering group of the Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army, is overseeing the digging operation that employs rat mining technique to remove the debris. The Election Commission withdrew permission for the Ritu Bandhu scheme of the Telangana government, citing violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Under the Ritu Bandhu scheme, financial assistance is directly transferred to each farmer's account per season towards meeting the cost of the inputs and other initial needs. On November 25 this year, the Election Commission allowed the disbursement of Rabi season installment under the scheme on certain conditions, like no publicity should be made in this regard, no public function should be organized for disbursement, and no political functionary should be involved in the process of disbursement. Irish author Paul Lynch won the 2023 Booker Prize for Fiction for his novel Prophet Song. It was a dystopian work about an island that descends into the tyranny. A year after the market regulator brought mutual funds under the ambit of insider trading regulations, the norms are yet to get enforced. Industry cites practical challenges and the lack of precedents on the instances of what could be considered unpublished price-sensitive information. The GST regime is moving from uncertainty towards certainty on some issues, seeking to assuage global firms' concerns about tax certainty amid a spate of tax demand notices and investigations pursued by the revenue authorities. James Webb Space Telescope has obtained better data on galaxies a bit further along in the development. Astronomers call these galactic teenagers, as new research shows they resemble human teenager in certain respects, including by displaying the growth spurts along with a bit of immaturity. The researchers focused on galaxies that formed about 2 to 3 billion years after the Big Bang, that was roughly 13.8 billion years ago. These teenage galaxies have a very unique chemical DNA, which indicates that they have formed a decent number of stars but still growing rapidly. The gas detected in star-forming regions of the teenage galaxies was much hotter at about 13,350 degrees Celsius. The galaxies were observed glowing with 8 elements like hydrogen, helium, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, argon, nickel, and silicon. That was all for today. Stay tuned to our channel for standardizing your civil services preparations. Thank you.